that end off a little bit like so. Thread it on this Gambler Jigzilla. It's a 1/2 ounce with a green pumpkin skirt, green pumpkin head. Green pumpkin's just always my go-to color this springtime. Spray a little flavor on it. You don't seem to want to hold on to it. Getting a lot of short strikes. That helps. A little bit on the small side for what you normally catch with this Jigzilla and the Gambler Mega Daddy Craw. But that's a decent fish, I'll take it. Gambler Jigzilla, the Mega Daddy Craw. Folks, this ain't no little fish bait. This thing's made for upgrading.